Hey guys, welcome to Module 2. In this module, we'll talk about some value investing principles. You don't have to be a legend to generate market-beating returns with a value investing strategy. But if you want to understand how to be a successful value investor, it will help to keep these principles in mind. Okay, the first point you need to acknowledge is that value investing is not gambling, and you should approach it with a full understanding of exactly what type of investor you are. And most importantly, you must understand exactly what you buy and why you buy it. Knowing the what and the why here is very important. You know, value investing isn't a passive strategy. Far from being a guessing game or a gamble, value investing is work. When evaluating a company, you should be able to answer the following questions and explain everything in your own words. What does the company you're investing in do? How does it make money? What are its competitors? What are the potential risks that it may take? And why do you expect its stock price to rise over time? It's important to know these things when you first invest, of course, but it's just as important to stay up to date on major developments affecting the company so that you can continue to answer those questions accurately. At a minimum, you should read the company's quarter reports and keep at least a half eye on news pertaining to the company so that you understand if its situation is changing. If something happens that lowers its intrinsic value, you'll need to reevaluate it. Do you still have a good reason to own the stock? If the company you own takes a turn for the worse, with no likely recovery on the horizon, selling its stock may be the best option, even if it means taking a loss. When it comes to investing, minimizing your risks is important, and that should be your first priority. So, that's principle number 1. Understand what you buy and why you buy it. See you in the next video.